Just a wee video to give you a bit of a tour of something that I've got for the Capri and the Escort actually. It's a fully wired in kit for GoPro, so that I can just press a button on the dashboard instead of having to mess around with Wi-Fi remotes and phone apps and all that carry on, that I know that it is recording. It's from a company called Wired Remote For GoPro. You can see them there. Look them up on Facebook and Instagram. They kindly sorted me out with a very good deal for 2 cars. It basically is a GoPro Hero 4, which is 4K, and they have modified it that you can, I'll just show you it working here, hang on. Put a button on the dashboard that it starts and stops the recording. I don't have it wired up just at the moment, I've just opened it. But whenever I go to fit it in the car, I'll be doing a full guide and a full demonstration video of how it actually works. This one comes with an intercom cable. I intend to run intercom in the Mark II because it'll be quite noisy, I would say, with no carpet or nothing on it. So this is the intercom cable. It'll feed back into my whatever system I buy. I've got 2 button kits, one for Escort and one for the Capri. This is the power kit, so in theory I can power the kit off the ignition live of the car, and this plugs into the back of the GoPro beside the screen. 2 wires, 12 volt ignition live. This will then ensure that whenever you put the key on in the car, it's charging and getting your GoPro ready. It can work with the battery in as well, so if you do have an accident and you need to hit the emergency shut off button to kill the power to your rally car or whatever you're driving at the time, it will continue to record on battery power, so you won't miss any footage. The button comes out on this red wire out of the thing, out of the GoPro case. You just plug it into their loom, extend this over to your dashboard, and just away you go. It comes with the user manual, an SD card adapter. I got a roll cage mount with it as well because both cars are going to be caged, so it'll be handy to be able to just lift the GoPro, bring it to another car, and I already have the wire and stuff in place in the Escort and the Capri. So yeah, thanks again to Wired Remote For GoPro for providing all this for me. It's going to be fun to get it all wired in and working, but I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, the next bit of this should hopefully be whenever I am at the stage for wiring it in properly, so you'll see exactly how it's going to work.